Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Okay, so this video is going to be quite an interesting one. I might spread it over 3 videos, we'll see how it goes, but this is how to make a Bluetooth device that will basically talk to your phone. Now, there are 3 components. To start with, there are 3 physical components. I'll do that first. There's whatever it is that you're measuring or whatever. In my case, it's a motorbike. There's the actual hardware itself, and then there's the phone. Now, in terms of the complications and how to actually get this thing to work, there are 3 things that you need to consider. Again, there's the hardware of this thing here, there's the software on it, and there's the software on the phone that can facilitate the communication. On the hardware itself, I'm using a module called RYB080L, which is made by a company called Rayax. There's an Arduino Pro Mini. The wiring is fairly simple, really, and I'm also using C++ on the Arduino, and that's to facilitate the communication. And then on here, I'm using a language. Well, it's not a language actually. It's a platform called MAUI, which is it's a cross-platform. How can I say it? Cross-platform .NET based platform, and I use a program called C# to write that. So I'm just going to quickly show you what this does, and then you can see if it's for you. So to start with, this is just the example that I've come up with. So I've got a thermistor there, which can determine temperature, and I've also got a voltage divider, which I'm using to determine voltage.